Hi everyone, welcome to WOZTELL tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply for WABA, which is WhatsApp Business API on WOZTELL. The entire process is very easy and simple. You just go to Channels and then select New Channel. Then you can set up your name for the channel and then select a platform. In this case, we are selecting WhatsApp Cloud API. Then create. Now you will see a pop-up. In the pop-up, you will be explained what is the difference between a full-featured live phone number or a trial sandbox phone number, depending on a number of criteria. For a live phone number, you must fulfill these criteria. Your Facebook Business Manager is verified, and once it is verified, you will pass a WhatsApp commerce policy check. The purpose is to check whether your business nature is suitable. Secondly, you will be setting up a sandbox phone number. This is the second alternative. This will happen if your Facebook Business Manager is not verified, or your WhatsApp business account has not yet passed the WhatsApp commerce policy check. The difference between sandbox and live is a lot. In terms of messaging limits, the heavy messaging limits will be applied. Like for sandbox, you can only send message to 10 phone numbers. And there is an expiry date for sandbox. There's only 30 days period for the sandbox. So after you have read through all the information, you can click I read, agree, and understand. And then click Start Setup. Now you will see another pop-up. This pop-up is Facebook pop-up. Then you continue as your account and then get started. Agree that your account is connected to here. And then create your Facebook and WhatsApp business account. To create, you can just simply click Create New Facebook Business Account. But if you guys already have a verified Facebook business account, just choose the one you already have. It is more simple and easier that way. But if you want to create a new Facebook business account, you can click Continue and then you can fill in this information. Remember to go back to your business manager and start the WABA, the Facebook Business Manager verification process. Otherwise, your WABA application will not be kickstarted. So today I'm going to choose one that is already verified. Then I can click Continue. And then next, I'm going to create a new WhatsApp business account. So now I'm setting up the accounts. Once your account has been set up, you will see a green tick in a bubble, and then you can continue to step 2. Now, you need to set up your WhatsApp business number, and this is your display name. Please be reminded that your display name should match your business name, or your display name must have something that is related to your brand name. There are some display name guidelines. For details, you can click on these. Then, after you have set up your public display name, you can click Continue. Then you can select your industry and type your business description, which is optional. Then you can continue to step 3, where you need to register and connect the number. Now I'm going to show you my phone. Okay, now I have finished typing my phone, and I will try to verify my phone number by voice call. So now you can hear that your verification is actually spoken out in a phone call. If you chose the SMS, you will receive it in your message inbox. Now I have already set up my sandbox account. And I will need to wait for a while in WOZTELL. Yeah. Now you can click on my business account and then select the WOZTELL number. So now we are going to fill in a registration code. It can be anything. You just type in 6-digit and click deploy now. And then wait for a while. So sometimes it will take around maybe 30 seconds to deploy. And once you have deployed, you will be in this page where it will display all your number and WhatsApp information, including your display name, WhatsApp number, WABA ID, and also the phone number ID. So this is the end of our tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to our website or watch other further tutorial videos. Thank you and have a nice day.